Today's tech buzz is heavily focused on Apple, shaking things up as usual. This time, though, the spotlight's not just on the latest shiny gadget, but on a deeper dive into the company's current strategic and market moves that's got investors and tech aficionados all ears. So let's break down what's going on. First up, an in-depth comparison of Apple with its contenders in the technology, hardware, storage, and peripheral sector unveiled some statistically juicy info. Apple's price-to-earnings ratio is sitting lower than the industry average at 38.3, suggesting you might get more bang for your buck if you're betting on Apple's future profits. But here's where it gets spicy. Apple's price-to-book and price-to-sales ratios are far above the average, hinting that folks are valuing Apple's assets and sales higher than those of other companies. It's like Apple's got its fans driving up prices at the lemonade stand because they love the extra tang. Even with its star-studded roster of devices, Apple's revenue growth came in at what you'd call a meh 6.07%, way below the sizzling industry average of 187.78%. That might indicate that folks aren't sprinting to the store for the latest iProduct like they used to, a first-world problem Apple can surely handle, but still, it's worth mentioning because it suggests slower expansion. Now, where Apple truly flexes is in its efficiency, something we're used to seeing. Its return on equity of 23.83% suggests they're squeezing out profits from every shiny dollar bill you throw their way. And with an EBITDA that's basically lifting more weights than everyone else combined, Apple's profitability and cash flow are showing they've clearly been hitting the gym. But what about Apple's other headline today? We're talking AirPods Max, the $550 premium pod spotted at swanky gyms in LA and NYC, probably sniffing eucalyptus and cheddar scents. According to none other than the tech whisperer Mark Gurman, Apple has zero interest in substantially updating these cans. Why? Well, they're doing just enough to stick around, but not enough to justify pouring loads of R&D cash into them. It's like that one barista you keep around because the espresso is passable, but not swoon-worthy. Despite this standing still stance on AirPods Max, Apple continues to enjoy the warm glow of its brand prestige. The wearables category raked in $9.04 billion, though slightly down from last year, while the iPhone still rakes in massive coins. All this contributed to Apple's recent quarter revenue hitting $94.9 billion, just topping what analysts expected. Talk about setting the bar high and then somersaulting over it. In conclusion, Apple's a mixed bag right now. A strong performer riding on profitability and operational efficiency, but gliding along with its current product offerings instead of going full throttle into innovation with certain products. Curious times for a tech giant known for flips and surprises. So eyes peeled, folks. Let's see where Cupertino takes us next. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.